Hello and welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Tuesday, October 30th, 2018. I'm going to read our disclaimer quickly. Trading stocks has a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice. Always for your further homework. Good morning, Sue here. Hope you've had an okay month of October so far. Wow, 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 what a month in the markets. As we can see by our candlestick that is shaping up so far for the month, we only have a couple of trading days left, so it'll be interesting to see how this winds up. Before I get started, I wanted to apologize. I didn't put a video out last Thursday. I'm sorry, I ran into internet problems in the morning and then I just got squeezed for time overall on the day. So I'm catching up a little bit this morning. And if you're a regular viewer, you know I always start my videos off with a look at the Russell Index. I use the Russell as my simple proxy for the markets overall. I want to keep my processes simple, quick, and easy to follow, for me at least. And so we're looking at the IWM, which is the ETF for the Russell 2000, 5-year monthly chart. I like to step back and get that bigger picture view. As we've been talking about, you can see how the IWM based back here in early 2016. Now this is on the 5-year chart. We're just looking at the last 5 years. Caught this low and then started to picked up the blue line, which is the 8-day EMA, and was in this beautiful, beautiful uptrend until now. So these lines indicate my short-term support resistance, which I can probably get rid of right now. I might do that just to keep things simple, or I'll change it later just to save time on the video. The orange was medium, and now we put in this purple line as another medium term area of support. The blue way down here is long term support resistance, so we're kind of ignoring it for now when we're really focusing in on this area right here. So this is the monthly look so far. Let me scooch it into the 1-year weekly so we can better see. So we identified this purple line a couple of videos back as the next area of support, because as you can see back here in late 2017, early 2018, it bounced around this area, creating an area of support, consolidating, and then lifting from there. This is where we've landed. This is our candle for the week so far. We've only had Monday. So will it start to display this kind of a look and have this red bar followed by a bullish bar on the week and start to see some support come in? We will see. But until that happens, I'm being extra careful with price below. I use this blue line, the 8-day, as my guide. I like it above, I like the Russell Index, I should say, above the 8-day on both the weekly and daily charts. I will sometimes start to buy when I see some support coming in on the weekly, and I'll use a daily indicator on the 8-day EMA. So should we start to see some support come in here this week, and that's a big if, I'm not sure if we will, then I would use my daily to start looking at some premier, really wonderful, amazing companies and charts to start maybe legging in a little bit. So with that, I'll leave you. I'm not putting any charts forward until I do see that support come in. It looks like the futures are going to be a little bit green this morning, so maybe it'll start to shape up here, but I'm just going to wait. I want to see that 8-day getting closer to my price and starting to think about picking up that weekly candle and looking as though it might want to resume some trend higher here and some support. Hope that makes sense. So just sitting tight for now, being extra careful, and just waiting.